This video is on sulfonamides. Sulfonamides are the group of antimicrobials which are effective against pyogenic bacterial infections. They are called sulfonamides because they have sulf-amino group at carbon 1 of their benzene ring. They are never given alone and are always given in combination with trimethoprim and pyrimethamine. When it is combined with trimethoprim, the combination of these two drugs is called cotrimoxazole. Sulfonamide can be classified as short-acting drugs, intermediate-acting drugs, long-acting drugs, and drugs for special purpose. The drugs for special purpose are always given topically as eye drops. These drugs are easy to identify as all of them has a prefix of sulfa. The short-acting drugs are sulfadiazine, sulfazoxazole, sulfamethisole, sulfacysteine. The intermediate acting drug is only one, and that is sulfamethoxazole. The long-acting drugs are sulfadoxine and sulfamethoxypyrazine. The drugs which are used for special purpose are sulfacetamide, sulfasalazine, silver sulfadiazine, and mefenide. Certain bacteria like Streptococcus pyogenes, Haemophilus influenzae, and Vibrio cholerae are still sensitive to sulfonamides. These drugs are bacteriostatic and inhibit the DNA synthesis indirectly by interrupting the folic acid synthesis. Since folic acid is essential for DNA synthesis, inhibition of that would interrupt the synthesis of DNA of the bacteria. Sulfonamide given will inhibit the folate synthase enzyme, and the drug trimethoprim would inhibit the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme. Thereby, both of the drugs inhibit the formation of tetrahydrofolic acid. Therefore, they are always given in combination. Sulfonamide and PABA is of same structure, so it competes with PABA to bind with folate synthase enzyme. So it competitively inhibits folate synthase. The adverse effects of sulfonamides can be given by a mnemonic of AKC of rash, where A stands for aplastic anemia, K stands for kernicterus caused by bilirubin displacement, C stands for crystalluria, R stands for rash or hypersensitivity, which is the most common adverse effect of all of the antibiotics. A stands for acetylation. This is not an adverse effect but a pharmacokinetic property of this drug. S stands for systemic lupus erythematosus and H stands for hemolysis in G6PD deficiency. Sulfonamides are widely distributed in the body and they also have the ability to enter CSF and cross placenta. Sulfonamides can be used in combination with pyrimethamine to treat resistant malaria and toxoplasmosis. Sulfonamides are also combined with trimethoprim and the combination is called cotrimoxazole, whose brand name is called Septran. The Septran itself forms the mnemonic for the uses of sulfonamides. Here, S stands for sexually transmitted disease, E stands for enteritis caused by E. coli and Shigella, P stands for pneumocystis carinii and pneumocystis jejuni causing infection, T stands for typhoid, R stands for respiratory tract infection, A stands for acute uncomplicated urinary tract infection, and N stands for nocardial infection. And this is my compiled version of the chapter sulfonamides. I hope you guys find this video useful. Do like this video and subscribe to Medinate for more. Have a nice day.